I think that this is truly validation that we have an ecosystem here locally that can create world-class additive manufacturing products that are second to none, that nobody else in the industry can recreate, and that this really is becoming the epicenter for additive manufacturing in Northeast Ohio.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.
We developed the Tradesman Series P3-44. It's an industrial grade 3D printer focusing on processing uniquely capable of processing a wide range of performance thermoplastics. And so it has a build volume of 3 feet by 4 feet by 4 feet, and it's built really for the new age digital version of the tradespeople. It's a new modern tool for the modern tradesperson. JuggerBot's been around for about 9 years now, so we've been developing new technology for quite some time here in the Valley. And so we've developed small technology, and we can kind of keep progressing it. All right, so we've developed something that sits on a desk. Then we migrated to something that would be the size of a small sedan, and now we're developing something that's as big as my truck. So now we just keep getting larger, and we keep developing more industrial product that's meant more for production and less for rapid prototyping. It still could be used for that, but it could actually be utilized as a production workflow and actually start being able to generate some revenue for our customers, but also give the solution that it needs for their customers. It's not the first model that we've sold. Actually, this is the second machine that we're performing the ribbon cutting for BDI Additives. So this is their second investment into the technology because they see a need and it fit to what they currently are supplying for their customers. But we also have other machines out to academics and the plastic part industry.
We're based out of Cleveland, Ohio. We're a supply chain industrial parts distributor. We are starting to manufacture spare parts for our customers. We have customers that can no longer get spare parts because machines are obsolete, the manufacturers are out of business, or they need to buy such large quantities that it's not practical. Another space that we like for this is parts of parts. So a manufacturing company will have a switch assembly where they have to buy the entire switch, but all they need is the cover. We can manufacture the cover, save the customer literally millions of dollars, and they might spend a few thousand on the parts. So it opens doors for us in spaces that we've not been in before. It creates opportunities in areas that we're not in before. When you use reductive manufacturing, where you take a piece of bar steel and you machine it, takes a lot of time and it's expensive to do. Where if we can print that same part using different materials, we can provide that part much, much more quickly and usually at a better cost, lower cost to our customer.
I think that this is truly validation that we have an ecosystem here locally that can create world-class additive manufacturing products that are second to none, that nobody else in the industry can recreate, and that this really is becoming the epicenter for additive manufacturing in Northeast Ohio. I think for us, the partnership is really about JuggerBot's success and helping them to grow and expand and to make the BDI Additive division more successful. So, as they grow, it will help to grow the industry in Youngstown, absolutely. It's really their success that we're hoping to see come out of this.
I think it's refreshing that Youngstown, Ohio, which most people think of as a city that's past its prime, is now at the forefront of something this different, this special. So we're excited that Youngstown has the Youngstown Business Incubator, America Makes project that's been here, and that they're investing in the future. And this takes time, and it'll take time to develop, but this is the future of our world, not reductive manufacturing as we've seen it over the last hundreds of years.
We've constantly been producing technology that puts Youngstown on the map. Being one of the only companies in North America to produce this type of technology, so this is what's called fused granulate fabrications, so pellet-fed additive manufacturing. We're one of only a handful in North America that produce this technology. And it's actually a very interesting market because it's going to start increasing, and we've been doing this now for 3 years. So we're a little bit ahead of the curve. We're going to try to jump the curve by just ramping up and expediting this whole process, starting to build more in a build-to-stock format, growing our space in the valley. So we're continuously putting Youngstown on the map based on the technology, but we're also growing the economy by hiring local residents and people and really growing the education and that knowledge transfer. We're being a big part of that. We believe that we're supporting the future companies that are going to come out of this valley.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.